This is my first vlog. I'm gonna try to do a daily vlog now. I'll try, but it's not gonna be easy. But okay, so the daily vlog, it's not gonna be all English. I'm just saying to you guys that it's not gonna be all English. So it's gonna be all my daily vlog, life / daily vlog / I don't know what I'm saying, but sa mga Filipino dyan, maraming salamat po kung napanood nyo to, at kung hindi man, and sana po kung sino nakapanood, sana po supportahan nyo po ako. Wala lang, tatry lang natin kung mag-work. Kung hindi, then at least trinay, diba? Maraming salamat po kung napanood nyo to, and sana po maging successful, and thank you very, very much. Salamat po, JP. Thank you.